Real estate across the DC metropolitan area is lucrative, without a doubt, and rehabbing is at its highest level in years throughout the region. Rehabbers often have limited financing options to fund their projects. This is why hard money loans are important. No one facilitates and handles hard money loans quite like MSI. We facilitate a streamlined process utilizing hard money loans to generate profits for our investors in multiple ways. Think about this. Most of our loans garnish interest rates ranging from 8% to 18% depending on the total loan amount. Borrowers also pay us in points when the loans are originated, underwriting fees, loan processing fees, document preparation fees, and more. These deals generate significant interest margins that get passed on to investors. But that's not the only way MSI makes money for its investors. What happens if the borrower defaults? Well, MSI also has a well-established system in place to recover the asset, which can then be either sold at a significant profit or even added to our rental portfolio to generate income. To sign up and start building your wealth, go online to msiinvestments.net today.